What if the right houseplant could do more than just beautify your home? According to Feng Shui, certain indoor plants are believed to attract wealth, prosperity, happiness, positive energy, and good fortune. In 2026, more homeowners are filling their living spaces with lucky plants that not only purify the air, but also create a peaceful and vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're hoping to invite financial success, improve family harmony, or simply bring more life into your home, these plants are considered some of the luckiest choices you can grow indoors. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 15 lucky houseplants for 2026. Explain what each plant symbolizes, where to place it for the best Feng Shui energy, and share simple care tips to keep your plants healthy. Stay until the end, because our number one pick is considered one of the most powerful prosperity plants in Feng Shui. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is a graceful indoor palm that symbolizes peace, harmony, and continuous growth. Its lush green fronds soften indoor spaces while creating a calming atmosphere that encourages positive energy. In Feng Shui, plants with upright, healthy foliage are believed to encourage the smooth flow of qi throughout your home. Place your bamboo palm in the east or southeast corner of your living room to encourage family harmony and abundance. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and slightly moist soil. Avoid direct afternoon sun, which can scorch its delicate leaves. Besides its lucky symbolism, bamboo palm is also valued for improving indoor air quality, making it an excellent plant for both beauty and wellness. Chinese evergreen is admired for its stunning variegated leaves and incredible resilience. In Feng Shui, it represents longevity, prosperity, and positive opportunities. Its ability to thrive in low-light conditions makes it a favorite for homes and offices alike. Keep this plant in bright, indirect light, although it tolerates shade very well. Water only when the top inch of soil becomes dry. Position it near your home's entrance or office desk to welcome fresh opportunities and good fortune throughout the year. Peace lily symbolizes peace, healing, purity, and emotional balance. Its elegant white flowers are believed to cleanse negative energy while promoting harmony within the household. This beautiful flowering plant enjoys moderate indirect light and consistently moist soil. Avoid letting it dry out completely. Many Feng Shui practitioners recommend placing peace lily in bedrooms or meditation spaces to encourage restful sleep and emotional well-being. Rubber plant is associated with wealth, abundance, and financial stability. Its broad, glossy leaves symbolize prosperity and continuous growth. It grows best in bright, filtered light with occasional watering once the soil begins drying. Wipe the leaves regularly to keep them shiny and healthy. Placing a rubber plant in the southeast wealth corner of your home is believed to amplify prosperity energy. Aloe vera has long been considered a protective plant that absorbs negative energy while promoting healing and good health. Beyond Feng Shui, it's famous for its medicinal gel used to soothe burns and skin irritation. Provide plenty of sunlight and allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Place aloe vera near sunny windows where it can thrive while helping create a healthier indoor environment. Lucky bamboo is one of the most famous Feng Shui plants in the world. It symbolizes luck, prosperity, happiness, health, and success. The number of stalks carries different meanings. For example, 3 stalks symbolize happiness, 5 represent health, and 8 signify wealth. Lucky bamboo grows well in water or soil under indirect light. Change the water weekly if grown hydroponically. It makes an excellent gift for new homeowners or business owners. Orchids represent love, fertility, elegance, abundance, and family happiness. Their long-lasting blooms symbolize patience and continuous blessings. Place orchids where they receive bright, filtered sunlight. Water sparingly once the growing medium becomes nearly dry. Many Feng Shui experts recommend displaying orchids in bedrooms to strengthen romantic relationships. Boston fern symbolizes renewal, purification, humility, and fresh beginnings. Its cascading foliage creates a soothing, refreshing atmosphere while improving indoor humidity. Keep it in bright, indirect light with consistently moist soil. Boston fern thrives in humid environments, making it perfect for bathrooms or kitchens with adequate natural light. The jade plant is often called the money plant because its round, coin-shaped leaves symbolize wealth and financial success. Many business owners keep one near entrances to attract prosperity. Provide at least 4 to 6 hours of bright light daily. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry before watering again. Place it near the southeast corner of your home or office for maximum Feng Shui benefits. Philodendrons represent personal growth, healthy relationships, and positive transformation. Their lush, heart-shaped leaves symbolize love and emotional abundance. Grow them in medium to bright, indirect light and water once the soil partially dries. Their easy care nature makes them perfect for beginners seeking both beauty and positive energy. Monstera symbolizes expansion, abundance, longevity, and personal achievement. Its dramatic split leaves represent continuous growth and overcoming life's obstacles. Position your monstera where it receives bright, indirect sunlight. Water when the top 2 inches of soil become dry. Its bold tropical appearance also creates an impressive statement piece in modern homes. Snake plant is believed to offer powerful protection by absorbing negative energy while encouraging strength, resilience, and good health. Its upright leaves symbolize upward growth and determination. It tolerates low light but grows best in bright, indirect light. Water only after the soil becomes completely dry. Snake plants are excellent near entrances because they are believed to block unwanted negative energy. The braided money tree is one of the strongest Feng Shui symbols for financial prosperity and business success. Its 5 leaflets represent the 5 Feng Shui elements working together in harmony. Place it in bright, indirect light and water only when the top layer of soil dries. Many people position money trees in offices, shops, and living rooms to encourage wealth and career growth. Golden pothos is believed to absorb stagnant energy while inviting fresh opportunities and abundance. Its trailing vines symbolize continuous progress and growth. Pothos grows almost anywhere with moderate, indirect light and occasional watering. It is especially recommended for offices, hallways, and corners where energy tends to become stagnant. Citrus tree, indoor lemon or calamondin. Our #1 lucky houseplant for 2026 is the indoor citrus tree. In Feng Shui, fruit-bearing plants symbolize wealth, abundance, success, and the rewards of hard work. Bright yellow fruits represent gold, prosperity, and happiness. Indoor citrus trees require plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours daily, and regular watering when the soil begins to dry. Place them near sunny windows in the southeast area of your home to maximize their symbolic prosperity. Besides attracting positive energy, you'll also enjoy fragrant blossoms and fresh fruit, making this one of the most rewarding lucky plants you can own. Adding lucky houseplants to your home is a beautiful way to combine nature, wellness, and positive symbolism. While Feng Shui focuses on creating balance and harmony, healthy plants also improve air quality, reduce stress, and make any space feel more welcoming. Whether you choose a money tree, lucky bamboo, snake plant, or a beautiful indoor citrus tree, caring for your plants can be a rewarding daily ritual. Adding lucky houseplants to your home is a beautiful way to combine nature, wellness, and positive symbolism. While Feng Shui focuses on creating balance and harmony, healthy plants also improve air quality, reduce stress, and make any space feel more welcoming. Whether you choose a money tree, lucky bamboo, snake plant, or a beautiful indoor citrus tree, caring for your plants can be a rewarding daily ritual. Which lucky plant is already growing in your home? And which one will you add in 2026? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more houseplant care tips, Feng Shui gardening ideas, and indoor plant inspiration. Happy planting, and may your home be filled with prosperity, health, and good fortune.